Hey guys, today I'm working with a KitchenAid double door refrigerator. Freezer on the left, fridge on the right. It's in excellent shape, everything works great on it. I want to show you real quick that it is cooling and freezing like it's supposed to. I've got all the shelves taken out, doing kind of a deep clean right now, but you can see on my little temperature gun here, about 89 degrees Fahrenheit. You see, shine it on different things, you get different results. So, show you on the fridge side. Be pretty close to 36. That's what I have it set to up there. Actually, I have it set to 34. So, and this gun's fairly accurate. The longer you leave the door open, the more the temp's gonna go up. And then we got the freezer side. See, it'll start out super cold, and then as we stand here with the door open, temperature will rise a little bit. But take a picture of that real fast. Picture of that too. So ice maker works. Just put a brand new water filter in, get those shelves put back in, and be good to go. Of course, I'll have it plugged in so you can check it out when you get here, but I always like to do a video in case you're making a long drive or something like that, so that you can see everything works good. So thanks for taking a sec to watch this, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thanks.